This is what we get.
Snow everywhere.
Snow
This
everywhere.
is the road right here. Road.
The road, we can't even see the road. This is what
Look down there. All that.
All those people. Rika walking the
All
walk.
these cars
Super
are stuck.
Walmart.
Stuck cars. Let's show them what I look like. See what I look like today. This is me.
Yeah.
You can't see me. Hold it right.
It's Daddy. It's Daddy. Snow
Gotta
everywhere.
fail.
Woo!
Somebody wants to fall in front of me. You.
Ooh.
Let me put this glove back on.
There's snow everywhere. This is a Christmas. This is cars want to drive. Oh, they gonna get stuck. I didn't drive it. I walk it.
Cause walking is faster. Yeah. Ain't that right? It's more efficient. You don't get stuck. You might slip a couple times, but you don't get stuck. Somebody's car. They in it? Nope. Signal light's still on. Somebody's other car.
The light is green.
Oh my God, we in the street.
No, not that. We could go over there to the light. Come on.
Hope I don't fall. Wait for me. Almost didn't make it. Because it's cold out here and I can't put my hood on. Those are big tires. Big tires. Sure wish we had 4-wheel drive. I got snow all over my eyes, man. What a walk. Almost at Super Walmart. Woo. We can't make it. Yeah. You got icicles in your nose. You got icicles.
You see that? It might be boogers. Icicles. Cold.
Oh, it's too cold.
Still snowing, guys.
My face is freezing.
It's now. I don't know what time it is.
5 o'clock. No, it's like, what time did we leave?
Probably like 4.
Yeah.
4-ish. Still snowing. Yeah.
We live right across the street. We almost didn't make it. Well, we're still not there yet, but there's snow plow.
Your hair looks like a snowman.
I do?
Yeah.
My hair look like snow, guys. See it? Oh, somebody got kicked out of their car.
The car on a snowy day like this. Yeah.
Wow.
Car lovers. Oh. Car lovers.
This is the winter storm 09, and I can say that I witnessed it.
Yeah, it's very official. Yeah.
This is the most. Look, I'll show you. Me trying to go through the snow right here. I don't even want to show you. This is
snow clouds out here.
Just one step into snow, all the way down to my freaking knee. And I'm like 5'2", and that at my knee, that's like 2 inches or more. Sorry if I'm making weird facial expressions. My cheeks are cold. Trying to numb them out. Do you know where you going? Walmart over here.
I know. I'm trying to get out the way of the car,
The snow is sticking to my face like somebody pissed on the ground. Oh.
We're here.
Oh. I think Walmart's closed.
Why?
Ain't nobody in it.
Yeah, Walmart, they closed today.
I hope it's not. I hope Walmart's not closed because we walked up here with nothing. My head. Well, this is Deku.
We'll check back in. We'll check back in. My name is Rika Turner. It's no way.
Ready?
My name is Rika Turner, and we'll check back in when we get inside.
My name is snowing in my nose.
Oh God.
My name is Deku Turner with Walking in the Snow. News on show almost fell. Walking in the snow. And bye.